everyone, my name is Erik Dahl, and welcome to my course, Effective Logging in ASP.NET Core. I'm a principal architect at RealPage right now. Good logging in your applications can make or break them from a supportability perspective, and can help you better understand production trends and volumes in your app. In this course, we're going to delve into the notion of logging and what we can do to make our logs effective. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include understanding the mechanics of writing log entries using the iLogger interface extension methods, global exception handling and other more centrally located types of log entries, the content we want to include in our log entries and some that we don't, and getting entries written to destination that make using those log entries a snap. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create awesome log entries and how to make them consumable in ways that far exceed just logging to text files. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basic concepts of ASP.NET Core. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn effective logging with the course Effective Logging in ASP.NET Core here at Pluralsight.